Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on Robinhood crypto. First, open your Robinhood app and tap on the cryptocurrency icon to access your digital assets. Next, select the specific crypto you wish to sell from your holdings. You will then decide whether to place a market order, which sells immediately, or a limit order, which allows you to set a specific price for your sale. When you choose a market order, your cryptocurrency will be sold right away at the best available price at that moment. Simply input the amount of crypto you want to sell, or the equivalent dollar value. Before finalizing, always take a moment to review all the order details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, the transaction processes almost instantly. A limit order gives you more control by allowing you to set a specific price for your crypto sale. Your order will only go through if the market price reaches or exceeds your chosen limit price. This can be a smart way to maximize your potential earnings, as you are not forced to sell at the current market rate. Before you finalize any sale, it is crucial to double-check all the details, including the amount and price. Once you are satisfied, confirm your order to complete the transaction. After a successful sale, the funds will typically settle into your Robinhood account within 1 to 3 business days, ready for withdrawal or reinvestment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.